Hello, my name is Samir, and today I'll be presenting our high-fidelity prototype specifically for the feature of personalized health insights. So first, we'll begin with the login screen. Here, it's a very basic login screen. The user would enter their username and password, and then after successful information, they would just click login. Now from here, we get to our main page. Here, we would have this menu drop-down where they could go to different features. For now, we only have diagnosis and insights. From here, they'll click on Insights, and here they would automatically get all their insights. Now this page would be generated from going through their medical reports and other information that we have on the user, such as symptoms that they've entered before, some diagnoses they've had, and other chronic health conditions or other medical conditions they have. And we would compile this information and use the AI to calculate insights that could make their overall life and health better. Now from here, they can view any of the insights by simply just pressing on the insight itself or clicking on the icon button. And then here the user would get some information about their insights. So for example, for yoga, it says yoga therapy increases the number of insulin receptors and increases the proportion, and basically just information about them, because here we were imagining a user was diabetic, so yoga can help with that. Now once they've read everything and they've actually completed it, so they don't have to complete now, but once they've actually completed the exercise or the insight for that week, they can just click completed, and then it shows up as green, and they can go through and do each one, and then once they're done with all their insights, they just click done, and then they're back to the home page. And that's basically how the user would go through that feature.
Next, we will look at the symptom pre-screening diagnosis feature. To navigate to that, they just select the option diagnosis from the menu here. Then they are greeted with a menu where they can search for symptoms, and they get symptoms based on their query, and they can cancel out of it. If they try to proceed without selecting a symptom, they get a nice warning. So next, they will select the symptom, then they will have to select the severity of their symptom. So we give 3 smiley faces, and then they can also add text to better describe their severity. Then the symptom gets added here, and then they can go back and edit if they want, and they can add another symptom, let's say symptom 2, and then this one is smiley, and then I can go back in symptom 1, change it back to smiley as well, and then symptom 2. And after I have added all of my symptoms, I can just press done, and then I'll get a quick diagnosis and a list of recommended actions that I can take. And from here, I can just select done, and then I'll be back in the home screen where I can navigate to the other options if need be.